This is a complete guide on how to use Metatrader 5 as a complete beginner. So what is Metatrader 5? Metatrader 5 is simply a trading platform that you use to analyze the market and place your trades. So for you to download and install Metatrader 5, firstly go to Google and search Metatrader 5. When you search for Metatrader 5, the first website that comes up is the official Metatrader website. On this page, you are going to see a lot of information, but for now, you just want to click download Metatrader 5 for Windows. When you do that, you are going to be able to download the Metatrader 5 setup. Once you download the Metatrader 5 setup, the next thing that you want to do is you want to install. So to install this, you just do the same thing that you do for any software that you install on your computer. Keep in mind, you can download this platform for your Windows, for your Mac, for Linux, for Android, for Apple, and for all the devices that you might want to use. But in this video, we are going to focus only on Windows because that's what I use. Now, once you download and install this Metatrader, you are going to open it and you are going to see an application which looks like this. So this is the platform that you use to trade the Forex market. Now, on this platform, when you open it for the first time, it's gonna open a demo account for you automatically, and the demo account is a practice account for you. If you want to connect your real broker's account, you can check out my video. I will leave a link in the description. But for now, you can go to file here on the corner, and then you can go down to log in to trade account, and then you click there. Once you click there, you are going to get this window here, which prompts you to put your login ID and your password. So you're going to put your login ID here, and then you're going to type in your password here, and then you're going to select your server here. So for me, I use Deriv. You can see there's a lot of Deriv servers right here, and you want to connect the server that you use, and then you click OK. Of course, you're going to do this after creating an account with your broker of choice. If you want to use the same broker as me, I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out and support the channel through that. Now, once you open a demo account or a real account, this is what you want to look for. First, the first thing that you want to be able to do is locate your instruments that you want to trade. So to locate your instruments, you are going to see this window which is written Market Watch. So this window is where you see all the instruments that the broker is allowing you to trade. Now, for my broker personally, the broker is giving me cryptocurrencies that you can see right here. And then we have currencies that you can see right here. And you can see also there's currencies right here which are not moving simply because it's weekend as I'm recording this video and the market is closed. But if you are using the broker that I use, of course, there is going to be synthetic indices that runs 24/7. But now let's say you are on the market watch here and there is some instruments that you cannot see here. What you can do here is you can just click on add and then you type in any instrument that you want. For example, if I type in USD, you're going to see all the instruments that are related to USD. So if I want to trade USD to Mexican peso, I can just right here USD Mexican peso, and you can see it's added to my chart window, to my market watch. And now I can right click and go to chart window, and then you can be able to open the chart for US dollar to Mexican peso. Now once you understand the market watch, the next thing that you want to understand is the chart window. There's more things that you can do with the chart window, and let me show you the first thing. First thing is you can change this from candlesticks to line charts, right? So I'm just going to go back to Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin and the price is rising up nicely, right? So let's say I was trading this Bitcoin and I'm seeing this price rising, but I don't know exactly what are my levels of structure. If you want to learn more about this, I'll give you links. Just make sure you pay attention here. So let's say I'm not sure about the levels of structure here. What I can do is, if these candles are not giving me a clear structure of what the market is doing, I can come here on the top here and I can select line chart, or I can click Alt plus and 3 at the keyboard at the same time, and you can see right here I have a line chart. Now, the line chart is not used by most people, but the good thing about the line chart is that it gives you easier to read market, right? So you can see that it's easier to identify even support or resistance on the line chart rather than when I put the candlesticks, because for the candlesticks there's going to be wicks, and there's going to be some huge candlesticks like this that are going to like confuse you on the way of making decisions. But then you can, candlesticks also gives you more information like the opening price, the closing price, and the low, the high. You also have what is called the bar chart, but this one is just like candlestick charts, and I've never used this before, and I've never seen anyone using this anymore. So most people use the candlestick chart and then the line chart, right? So these are the two charts that you can use. The other thing that you can do with your charts, with your chart window, is maximizing it into a separate doc so that you can get more information on your chart. So let me show you what I mean. So if I go to my chart here, and if I right click on my chart, if I go to here where it says dogged, or if I click out and D, you are going to see that the chart window is going to pop up here as a separate window. And now if I maximize this, you're going to see that everything that I want comes up on this top party here. First, I can change the chart type. I can change the chart type. I can maximize, minimize, zoom in, zoom out. I can even push the chart to the center. Here you can see if I want to push it to the center. You can also easily access indicators. I'll show you in a minute how to install indicators here. And then we also have time frames. Right? Here, if you click here, this small clock sign here, you can see all the time frames that we have. You can even add more time frames, like the 2-minute time frames, if you want to go for that, right? But you can easily access this if you put this as a dogged window, right? So you click Alt D, and then you get a full chart of a full window of your charts. It's easier for you to be able to analyze here. And then we have the crosshair here. We also have some tools like trend lines that you can use, right, to analyze this market. We also have things like Fibonacci tools that you can use to analyze the market and be able to try and predict the market direction, right? So let's go back. Let's click Alt D again and get back into our closed window. The next thing that I want to show you here is this toolbox right here. So at the bottom here, you have this toolbox. So on the toolbox, what you have on the toolbox is simply, you have your trade. If you have money in your account, right now my account doesn't have money. I haven't deposited money into this account yet, right? But firstly, if you have money here, you're going to see it on balance, and then equity is the trades that you are in, then adding the balance or subtracting the balance. Also exposure, you can so see news, mailbox, calendar, company alerts, articles, right? And if you want to get expert advisors, you can get all the things, even the journal, you can get the code base, you can get all the articles. That these are trading systems that other people are talking about on Metacode's website, right? So there's a community of traders on Metacode, and it is believed that 7 million people in every month go to that website. So you can guess how many traders are there, right? So you have the calendar if you want to see the news, and then you can see the actual amount of volume that is generated, right? So you can see you can have the forecast. There's a lot of things that you can do here, but most people don't even bother going into this website. You can also, on the exposure, you can also, if you have the trades that are running currently, you can also see how much, which pairs are you involved in the most. Now let me show you how to add indicators into these charts and how to analyze the market using the indicators, right? So firstly, what I like to do is this. You just dock this, and then you have a big window which looks like this. Once you get this, you are going to be, you want to come to like the front here, and then you want to go to indicators. Click on this icon right here, and then it drops down you go to trends, the first indicator that I obviously use each and every time is the moving average. The moving average is something that everyone uses, right? Because you just want to see the average direction of the market. In this case, I will put the 21 period moving average, and you can see that it goes below the market here. The market is in an uptrend, of course, right? Now, the next indicator that I will put here is the MACD, right? And I will leave everything to default, right? Now, the way that the MACD and the moving average works for me is that if the market is above the 21 period moving average here, and also you can see the MACD is pushing to the upside, I can confirm easily that this is a trend. But if you see all the indicators that we have here, they have different meanings and how different ways of how they work. So if you want to use these indicators, you have to understand each indicator on how it works, and how you can predict the market using that indicator. Now, there's a lot of indicators here that you can use. So first, you have trend indicators. We have also oscillators. We have volume, Bill Williams. I haven't used much of these, but I use Bill Williams indicators sometimes. And then we have custom indicators here, like the CCI. Most people love the CCI. We have the Bollinger Bands. We have the force index, envelope, fractals. There's a lot of indicators that you can use here. You can use even this one, which is called the what do they call it? The Heiken Eshi. The Heiken Eshi. You can use the Heiken Eshi. And what this does is it just paints your trade, like your charts, in different colors based on average how the market have been moving. So if you are struggling to identify the trend, you can use this just to know that if the candles are blue here, you are in an uptrend, and if the candles are red, you are in a downtrend. This helps. I have seen a lot of people develop strategies based on this indicator, but I haven't gone deep into it. If you guys want me to go ahead and do researches like I always do, I can do that for you, and I'll give you some results. But for now, just make sure you understand how to insert these indicators. Now, this was a guide for people who is starting to use Metatrader for the first time. And if you are watching this video up to now, that means you are serious about trading, and I want you guys to subscribe to the channel, and then I want you to go to the description of this video, click the first link that you are going to see there, and you are going to see a list of most important links that you can get. You are going to see the link to our trading robots, to our free signals, to our free courses, and then to the broker that we use. If you add more things to that link, they are going to be updated. So make sure you check out the first link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments which video do you want me to create next. Tell me if you have any questions that you want me to discuss and answer. Thank you.